The Rollifit Digital Smart Scale. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Rollifit Digital Smart Scale by Rollifit. This scale works with Bluetooth and takes measurements in multiple categories. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide, along with 3 AAA batteries, which I have installed already. This scale measures a few metrics: your weight, BMI, body fat, muscle mass, body water, visceral fat, bone mass, and BMR. It has an app for iOS and Android that will monitor and track your progress. It has health tracking integration with Fitbit, Google Fit, and Apple Health app. This scale has a max weight of 400 pounds. It can also be used without the app to take normal weight readings. It has an LED display, and the platform is made of a 6mm ITO tempered glass. The scale has a very nice finish and design. In the middle, you see the Rollifit logo, and on the bottom has the Rollifit branding. The top is solid and is made of the ITO conductive electrode tempered glass. This surface sends signals to your body so it can gather the information. On the bottom, you have 4 sensors on each corner for measuring your weight, and the battery compartment. It is recommended to have it on a firm, flat surface when weighing yourself for accuracy. This will not work on carpets or rugs. The battery compartment is easily accessible by just sliding and lifting the cover. As mentioned earlier, it comes with 3 AAA batteries. The scale is 12 inches by 12 and less than 1 inch in thickness. Setting it up is easy and quick. Download the Rollifit app. Launching it will prompt you to have health access integration for iOS. You can allow it or not allow it depending on your preference. The next screen, you can create a login or just skip it to begin using the app. It will then prompt you to create a user profile. You can create multiple profiles for additional users. Once your profile is created, tap the center button to connect and step on the scale. You have to weigh yourself with no socks or shoes so the sensors can work. It will begin to gather the data, and once completed, the final readout will display on the main dashboard. As you can see, it gathered the data fairly quickly. You can also set weight goals and it will show your progress on the top. Clicking on the bottom left icon, you will see the data recorded on a nice graph, and you can toggle them from day, week, month, and year. Clicking on the upper right icon will bring up a history of when you weighed yourself. Expanding will give you detailed information on where you fall within each category, along with an explanation and recommendation. The middle icon brings you back to the main dashboard. The lower right icon brings up the settings. Here you can modify user settings, devices, unit measurements, and add users and create profiles. My final thoughts on the Smart Scale is that it provides a lot of insight. It is easy to set up and navigate the app. I think this is a good starting point for those that are looking to get into smart scales. It will give you an idea on where you stand on the metrics. I like the fact that it can be used without the app to take a simple weight measurement, and the LED display is bright. As far as accuracy to more expensive professional tests, they will definitely have an advantage. But this, in my opinion, is definitely a great starting point. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.